Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I'm testing a Parabolic Sar, Heikin Ashi, and Stochastic indicator trading strategy 100 times in a row so you can see if it is profitable or not. So this was requested from a commenter, and they linked me the video to the strategy so I can follow it to the T. Here's the video to give credit to this person for the strategy. I am testing this strategy. You can watch their video if you want to, but let's explain it. So I'm doing everything the same as them on even the same pair, same time frame. So Aussie yen, 15-minute time frame, and default settings on everything for indicators. And so how it's going to work is you wait until stochastic goes either above 80 or below 20, and then you're going to wait for a cross. So here is an example. We get a over 80 signal. It crosses back down, so we're looking for a short. So a short must also have the Parabolic Sar above it, and we're looking for a red Heikin Ashi candle with no wick above it. So our entry is this candle right here. So the target is going to be 10 pips every time. I'm just doing what they have outlined in the video. So stop loss just above the Parabolic Sar, and then 10 pips for the profit target. Okay? And the problem here is also that we don't actually know where the entry is going to be on a Heikin Ashi candle, because with Heikin Ashi, it doesn't calculate the same way as a normal candle. So this might not actually be the entry if you were to be trading in real time. So with spreads and also not knowing where the entry would be along this candle, this isn't going to be a perfect test, but hopefully it's close. Should be, pretty close. So I'm going to test this 100 times. First, I'll just go over a couple more setups. I don't want to give any opinion on this strategy till after it's been tested, but I already have an opinion on the strategy. Let's go and find a few more setups. So let's see, we go over, cross down. Here's our first candle with no wick above it, and that's our entry candle, 10 pips. So it's good for 10 pips. And then let's find a buy. Crosses up right here. Here's our entry candle when Parabolic Sar and Heikin Ashi are saying, yes, go ahead. Oops. Well, we know it won. Put that upside down, but it was a winner. It didn't get stopped out. We can tell by looking at the chart. Let's see. So we go up here, so we're looking for a short. Get some crosses down. Can't short yet. Here's our short candle, so you would short right here. So that one's clearly a loss. And then we get another short up here. Here is our short. And looks like, yeah, that one's definitely a winner. Does not get stopped out by that wick. Not going to count that. The cross is in below. Okay, here's another buy right here. So let's see, would it get stopped? Nope, so that one's good as well. There's a short that fails. So you'd be short right here. Stops out. Okay, well anyway, it's enough signals. You get the idea of the strategy. But let's go into the 100 tests and see if it's profitable. The results are in. After 100 tests, there were 36 losses, 64 winners. The most won in a row was 12, and the most lost in a row was 4. Those losses totaled minus 610 pips, and the winners totaled plus 640 pips. So this is not a profitable strategy. The main issue with this strategy was going against the trend. Let me show you an example. You have a strong uptrend, and all the signals, the whole entire trend, were to short. You got short signals the entire way up, and then on the downtrends, you get signals to buy the whole way down. Barely any to short on the way down in these trends. Plus, having that fixed 10 pip target really was costly, because even though there were 64 winners with a really good win rate, it only really worked in the ranges, and the losses most of the time were much larger than the winners. So some of the losses were even 50 pip, 40 pip, 20, 29, 39, 60. There were a bunch of losses that were only like 5 pips, 7 pips, 11 pips, 16 pips. But you get the idea. This strategy does not do very well. And I think in that video they had some other signal that they were giving. So maybe they have some signal that says the market's in a range and they're only trading in certain ranges. But as shown and as tested without whatever signal they were giving, in addition to this strategy does not perform profitably. You will lose a bit of money over a series of trades. All right. So not too much more to say about it. But anyway, thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.